In the world of business, your brand is more than just a name. It's a representation of your hard work, dedication, and the unique value you bring to the market. In New York, one of the world's biggest business hubs, protecting your brand is crucial. Before we go over the basics of trademark registration in New York, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Did you know that there are over 2 million businesses registered in the state of New York? Every year, tens of thousands of new businesses emerge, each looking to carve out its niche. In such a bustling environment, the risk of brand imitation and confusion is high. Registering your trademark in New York is a pivotal step. It gives you exclusive rights to your brand name and logo, prevents others from using something confusingly similar, and offers peace of mind as you expand your business. Recent statistics reveal that businesses with registered trademarks are likely to experience a 25% increase in brand trust among consumers compared to those that do not register. Navigating the trademark registration process in New York can be challenging. It involves various steps, from conducting an extensive search to ensure your trademark isn't similar to existing ones, to filing the appropriate forms, and even responding to potential office actions. This is where our organization steps in. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We understand the intricacies of the trademark registration process in New York. When you work with us, we take care of everything for you. From the initial search to the final registration, our team of experts ensures a seamless experience. So, if you are a business professional looking to protect your brand in New York, let us guide you. We have successfully registered trademarks for thousands of businesses, ensuring they thrive without worries of brand imitation or confusion. With us by your side, you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. Legalregistration.com, making trademark registration in New York easy and hassle-free. Please visit our site to get the registration process started quicker, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the trademark registration process? Do you think the government makes it complicated? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.